Recently, someone interviewed me. I'm like, wow, this would be a good interview video to put on my YouTube channel. Now, it's already on his YouTube channel. And so, yeah, with the right permissions, which means I ask and get clear permission, so there's no copyright violation, I could get him to give me the original video and put it on my YouTube channel. But there's two other ways you can do this that might be on your YouTube channel that might be a good way for you to share other YouTube content. Let me show you those other two ways that you can do this. So this is my YouTube channel. This is my primary one where I'm logged into this channel right now. But if I go to this other channel right here, which also happens to belong to me, I want this video right here on my YouTube channel. So here's the other two ways of doing it. First, go to the three dots and I can say save to playlist. So I can save that to a playlist. Let me select TLB in public, and you see right here, add it to TLB in public. So if I close this down, go back to my channel, go back to playlist, hit refresh. You can see, looking at it from my dashboard here, my my YouTube studio, that TLB in public has just been updated. And if I go look at that on YouTube, you can see, and it's going to be at the bottom of the list, it's 49 videos. There it is. How do I block a phone number from calling my YouTube channel? And again, that video you see belongs to TL Burris, not Teddy Burris. It belongs to the other channel, but it's in my playlist. That's one way to do it. And by the way, you can put it in multiple playlists if you want. So let's go back to the video, and I'm going to, from the video, I'm going to hit the three dots. I'm going to go to add to playlist. I'm going to remove that, take it out. So you can see in the bottom left-hand corner, removed from TLB in public. I'm going to close that. Now here's the second way you can share another YouTuber's video through your YouTube channel. And it takes a few more steps, but it may be a great way to do this. Go to the three dots, hit share. Now in share, we have the typical way of doing it. There's the URL. I can share the URL across all kinds of places. I can drop it in Twitter, etc., etc., etc. But look here, create a post. So when I create a post, I can now tell the story of the video. I can use as many appropriate keywords as I can to make sure that it resonates with the reader. I'm not doing this predominantly for SEO purposes, even though that's important too. Resonates with the reader is what I'll say here. And then I can put all kinds of text in here. I can tell as much of a story as I want. I don't know the limit to text because I put a bunch of text in here. Now, once I tell the story with the video, now watch what happens. I hit post. So now it's been posted. So let's go back to my channel and see two more things that are important to understand. So I'm on my channel. Now, where do posts show up? Well, they show up under community. And I will tell you right now that I do not get a lot of engagement on my community. However, I've probably been missing something that I just discovered. So there's the post I just did with all that text, and I can edit it from here right now, and I can put more text in here, Control A, Control C, but more. I really don't know the limit of how much text. Let's say it's going to tell me a minute. I don't know the limit. I mean, I got a bunch of text in there. Look how long that is. I won't need it that long, but my point is you got a lot of space to tell the story and to speak to the viewer. And because this is a post, you could actually put the transcript in there. And so there's the whole story. Now, here's what's really cool. When I post that, I just update it and post it. Now, if I come down to the bottom, this is what's really cool. See the share button right here? This is, I think, the magic that I have been missing. Share post with your audience. So not only did I put the post on my community tab, but now I can share this post with my audience, and I can say what I want to say here. Again, I don't know how much space I get. Yeah, I get 400 characters in here, so that's probably too many characters. Take out a little bit. 400 characters is a lot of text, but what's really important is I can tell the story about them going to look at the story, read the story, and watch the video. And again, it's going to go get shared with my audience. So my bottom line is what I'm trying to share with you here is you don't necessarily have to copy someone's YouTube video and post it directly to your channel. You could share their video from their channel to one of your playlists by adding it to a playlist. And or you could create a post and share their video with your story as a post, then share that post with your audience, which will hopefully drive more views to your community tab. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.